Okay, so now we're going to unbox the ASMAX F1 main unit. And you can see it's got beautiful packaging. On the outside of the box, they have the ASMAX logo. And once we've taken the box, opened it, we've got the F1 main unit in here with the beautiful, sleek black charcoal design and LED lights in the center. You can also see the charging point at the back with the cover to protect it from any water damage. And if you remove the styrofoam, we've got all of the componentry in here. So I'll go ahead and remove some of that. All right, now let's take a look at the componentry inside the box. We have the F1 main unit. We have the cleaning pack, the speaker unit, the Velcro for the speaker unit, the speaker pads. We have the 3M glue plate. You can see the glue on the back side. We have the metal clamp, the magnetic mount, the hybrid microphone, the extra microphone sponge, the Velcro for the hybrid microphone, the wired microphone, the Velcro for the wired microphone, the Type-C charging cable, and the user manual.